Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to disable notifications on Epic 7. To disable or turn off notification setting on Epic 7 is super easy. First of all, open up the Epic 7 game on your device, and once you're in the home page of your game, go ahead and tap on the blue menu button at the top right corner. After you do that, from the menu that appears, tap on the gear button. You will then end up in the settings page where you need to go ahead and tap on the device settings option. After you do that, go to the notifications setting button and then tap on the off button right next to all notifications. Right after you select off, all of the other notifications will also turn off. After you do that, you will no longer receive pop-ups, sounds or banner alerts from Epic 7. So that's how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Epic 7 tutorials. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.